In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the CIBC debit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have opened an account on the CIBC Bank, you will have the ability to apply and get a debit card. This is done immediately upon opening your account. In order to manage this card, the best way to do so, besides going to a branch and talking to their customer support in person, is by using their mobile app or going to the online banking section by signing into their website. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use and manage your CIBC debit card if you have the latest version of the CIBC mobile banking app that you can find on the Play Store or the App Store. When you receive your card, you are going to get instructions on how to activate it. This process is done through the app like I mentioned. Once you open the app and sign in using your credentials, when you register for online banking, you will find the debit card attached to a certain account at the home screen. In there, all that you have to do is open up the settings about that account or select a specific card, and you will find all the options related to that card. One of the options should be to activate the card, as I've highlighted here. So once you tap on the three dots, you will get the option to activate the card. The process either involves using a PIN that is going to get sent to you alongside the card, or including the details about the CIBC card, so the card number, expiration month, expiration year, and the CVV, which are the 3 digits at the back, also known as the security code. As long as you can provide the PIN, which is usually a 4-digit number, or you include all the details that are asked to you, you will be able to activate the card to use it for online or in-store purchases. After the card is activated, you will find it under the app when you select that specific account, and you can now use it to make any purchase that you wish, as long as you have enough balance on the CIBC account. I hope I was able to help you on how to use CIBC debit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.